Going on, folks? It's been a while since I updated you guys on some of the bogs, so I figured I'd come out and do it while we had good sunlight. It's the daddy-daughter bog. Still trucking along. This one's got Sarracenia, maple tree. Man, these things, little maple trees, roots are crazy. They dig deep. We got a multitude of sundews in there, some fly traps. Got a Sarracenia right there, trying not to get the shadow. This is Moria. Haven't seen it with any real pictures on it yet. It's got Phyllodia mostly, and then this one picture on it right now. All of the Sarracenia have flowered. This fly trap, which I thought was dead, actually came back from the roots. So definitely welcome him back. The little maple helicopters drop seeds everywhere. But yeah, that's the Areolata, which is Alata and Leucophylla. That's a Flava. I really like the hoods on this plant, how they curl up like that. Come around the other side. Let's see. This thing's pretty vigorous too. Like it's got, I mean, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pictures on it. Couple more dudes. That's a crimson sawtooth fly trap. Same as this one right here. Got really nice red coloration. Threw a flower up for me. Yeah, the sphagnum's still doing really good. It's a little dry right now. But the bog still holding good water. So, you know, I haven't found a need to water it in a couple. I don't think I've watered this one in maybe 2 weeks. And it's 80s, 90s here. Yeah. Like I said, just wanted to give a quick update on the daddy-daughter bog. And yeah, I appreciate y'all checking it out.